Installation method of double hook padlock. Mark a straight line from the center point of the door width, perpendicular to the ground. The center point of lock cylinder is at the position 3.5 centimeters from the bottom beam along the line. Take the point as the center point and drill a 30 mm diameter circular hole. Take off the plastic cover on both sides of the padlock and put the padlock on the bottom beam. Mark the door at the position corresponding, with the fixed holes on both sides. Then take off the lock and drill 4 holes in the marked position with a 10 mm bit. Put the lock on and screw on the bolts outside to in of the door. Then tighten the nuts inside the door. Put the plastic cover on. The method is the same to install the other side. Set down the door and mark the position as a line from the center point of both hooks are perpendicular to the ground. Measure the length and width of the buried lockbox. Draw corresponding marks on the ground and dig a groove suitable for the box. Fix the buried lockbox in the groove with the equipped expansion screws. Then put down the door to check whether it locks successfully. Before opening the door, match the lock with the controller first, and open the mechanical lock, then you can open the door with the remote control.